How to fix audio delay on Samsung Smart TV. From your main home screen, go to Settings. From here, select All Settings. Now, select the option of Sound. Now, from here, go to Expert Settings. Now, from here, you'll see the option of Digital Output Audio Delay. You can use the slider in order to set this option according to your preferences. You can adjust the delay time between the audio and video tracks. So this function is only available when the device is connected via HDMI ARC or eARC. Now you can swipe down below and you can also select on this option of Reset Sound. If you select on this option, you would be able to restore all sound settings to the factory default. So you could follow these easy steps in order to fix audio delay on Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.